Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Segment.
What does the dictionary say?
One of the parts into which something naturally separates or is divided. A division, portion, or section.
Math rap.
For the term segment, I'll give you 2 ways to define. In a circle, it's the smallest part that is cut by a line. That's not the only meaning, as you may have heard. It's also a part of a line or curve.
Math rap.
Can you segment your thoughts on the term segment into words, please? You can segment your daily time schedule. Write down a list of segments by hour, and write what you plan on doing each hour tomorrow. Research. How many segments is an earthworm made of? Draw a worm. If walls help segment rooms, how many segmented rooms are there in your school if you added them all up? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!